Oh gosh, Solomon DeFi. I really do like Solomon DeFi, and this is one that really, I mean, even big cryptocurrency investors, I don't think they really know much about Solomon DeFi. Solomon DeFi is such a hidden gem, in my opinion. And what I mean by that is the fully diluted market cap. That means the max supply is around 72 million of Solomon DeFi. So there's the market cap and there's the fully diluted market cap. And what the fully diluted market cap is basically the value between all of the 72 million coins of Solomon DeFi. What the market cap would be is the circulating supply of the Solomon DeFi coins. But the fully diluted market cap right now is only below 6 million. It's below 6 million. So I don't even know what the market cap of Solomon DeFi is. It could be in the 100,000s right now. Okay. Which means the potential on return with this one is absolutely huge. Now, Solomon DeFi is considered to be in beta mode. That's the word I'm going to use, beta mode. Okay. Because they're not releasing their full product until Q3 this year. Okay. So
you're getting in before even.
So yeah, so I call this the accumulation phase with Solomon DeFi. It's been as high as 40 cents. It's only 6 cents right now. Wow. So it's very, it's relatively very low to its all-time high, and 40 cents is not even an all-time high that I consider to be high for this coin. Sure. Considering once they release their full project in Q3 this year and they start gaining some massive ground behind it. But the cool thing about Solomon DeFi is they're a decentralized e-commerce for DeFi, and it's 100% community owned. So everything done within the project is 100% community backed and owned. It's done by the community, and basically what they're going to do for cryptocurrency, and I just want to look here so I get my verbiage right. It's to bring about mainstream adoption of online cryptocurrency payments. So versus traditional, e-commerce, they basically, instead of going through the middleman and through a merchant, you don't really have to do that through Solomon DeFi. I think it could really change things in the DeFi game for e-commerce. So check out Solomon DeFi. That's one of the hidden gems where I personally have my money at. Sure. And I have a pretty good chunk of money in Solomon DeFi for the long term. I think that one could be a we talk gem, but this one, guys, could be a diamond in the rough.
Absolutely. What exchange can that be found on right now?
So Solomon DeFi, since it's not launched it is launched, but since the full product's not released until Q3, the only place you can get that is on Uniswap.
Uniswap. Okay.
Uniswap. Now, how to buy Solomon DeFi? What you're going to need is a MetaMask or a Coinbase wallet, and then from there you go to the Web3 browser. Go to uniswap.org, and if you can't find Solomon DeFi where you convert Ethereum into Solomon DeFi, go to CoinMarketCap. Keep going to CoinMarketCap. Like Jaron said, you can find the contract address for any project on CoinMarketCap. Sure. And also CoinGecko too. So you can go to the contract address on CoinMarketCap, look up Solomon DeFi, and you will see their contract address. You copy that, go back to your uniswap.org and your Coinbase wallet or MetaMask wallet and paste that there, and boom, you found Solomon DeFi. You can convert Ethereum into it.
Okay, fantastic. And maybe we can get Jaron to put together a video for investing in Solomon DeFi.
Yeah, potential video coming soon, guys.
So be on the lookout.
Fantastic.
Video coming soon.
If it does, it might be up here somewhere.
Yeah, either up here or down there or just somewhere. We'll make sure there's a link.